Hey, blockchain users. So today there are big things brewing into the market. But before we talk about that, I want to better explain how my 50% tool works. So as you may have noticed, the last time I was using a very important top and a very important low. Basically, that was a double top on the short term. You can see that here. And now, well, this is just a clearly major low since we haven't went below that. And the way it works is if we are below, we are in a weak position. If we are above, we're in a strong position. And the last rule is that the 50% level tends to be tested extremely often. And we just got a live example of that. Now we have the, again, with the very recent important low, and using the wick up to the upside from yesterday, we can use our 50% tool. And what do you know? Well, it tested the 50%. And this happens all the time. And if you want to use T on your own, well, this tool is just that simple. And you can use it on any time frame. And you'll see if you use it over and over again that the 50% level is often tested, which you can implement to your trading system. Let's take a look at Render, a popular coin that maybe you really like. And sadly, in terms of technical analysis, it is now in a weak position. Not the weakest coin out there, but I'm going to show you what I mean so you understand the process of how I filter coins from strong, medium, and weak. This one was a coin that was in my medium category that I just moved down to the weak one because it, first of all, it was above its all-time high, which is great. This is what you want to see in any market that are strong, and it was, but it no longer is, making this go from a bullish signal to a more bearish or signal. Now it is below the 50% of the whole range up, so if it had just tested it and went back up, that's fine. It's a balanced direction. Even if the move is massive, when you see a bounce there, that's fine. But now it is below it, and it's not the first time. Although the last time it closed above, this time it closed below the 50%. And next, it's very subtle, but you can see that it's making lower lows, meaning the buyers are less and less aggressive. For the rest of the move, people were buying higher and higher and higher, which is, again, another bullish signal. Now it's no longer the case. Buyers are not just as aggressive. This is how I do it, and I do it this way because it's more objective. It's easy to get emotional with coins, and with my system, it's way easier to know, is it a strong coin or a weak coin? And I'm not gonna remove it from my watch list. It's still an interesting cryptocurrency, and because of that, I keep it there. If it managed to go above the 50%, above the all-time high, and make those higher lows, then I'd have to once again change my line of thinking and be like, all right, well, it changed again. Now it's strong. That's and it's a very dynamic process. I look at these charts every at least once per week and filter them and revise my open position. If you've enjoyed this type of content with the analysis for render, let me know in the comments down below. Do the things with the YouTube buttons, and I will see you next time.